Kajayao Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Jayao Shillong kadika way na ki school kabla rimba hapo ka nongba Shillong bat kabla seiru ya shibun ki he ki han bat kala long ru ka jing sarong na ka banta ka school kabla la ban sei kumba lai ngot ki MLA ki ba wan ban shong school ha ka ni ka slam ai jing hikai na ka banta ban yo e ka jing nang jing start bat ha ka ni ka kanti ba banta ka ni ka school ha ka jing ya jong ka por kala play pat ba e ka jing rakhi jong ka jing ya lenti jong mau mer ba shispa snam kumban sukdo kini ki laingot ki MLA ki bela yo ek Islam ajing ikai nak ne ka skol ki kentop yo ba met ba lingdo ubade u MLA ka mairang uba pol lingdo u MLA ka West Shillong bat uba Edelbert nongrom ubade u MLA ka North Shillong hakani ka jing play yo mau mer jong jing rakhe ya ka jing ya lenti ka bala kanjo shispa snam jong ka skol lawan ban play do menteri rang ba ka jella Conrad ki sangma haringkat ka jinga don lang bat u chairman ka state planning board uba met ba lingdo haka jinga sakhi lang ki pastor ki temen basan nolor ki nohi kai skol bat ki samla puli ki bala light na ka skol kum kada ka jing sedang ka jing rakhi dap shispa snam jong ka skol nakalyang u Reverend W.O. Marbanyang ubade moderator KGP Synod Sapngi ubade ru sembut kongsan ula penher ya ka lama jong ka skol bat bot pat sa ka jing penher ya ki shispa tle ki balloon dau Conrad ke sangma baru ba met ba lingdo bat kum juru ka jing play yo mau sa nam jong ka jing rakhi Habakrana kene ka jing alang kumu kongsan u Conrad ke sangma ulapan pau ba kene ka jing peteng jong ka jing ku ka jong blai ba kene ka school kala yo manta ya kene ka ski ban play ka jing rakhi dap shispa snam bat ha ka jo ka por ulabu ka jing kerpat na ka benta ki khana school bat kum juru shaki no hikai balada ki kwa pan poi shaka thong kim dei ban ïalehkai football daki kenta ha ka madan ïalehkai ka ba khlem don dieng goal
Sakit.
I've always believed in a very simple yet a very powerful thought, and which is that we should know where we are heading, or we should at least plan what we want to do. I always tell people that you need to ensure that whether you are running a school, whether you're running a business, or whether you're running a government, you must have a focus and a goal in your mind. If you don't have a goal, then you will be like students playing football, but playing football without a goal post, which means you could be playing and kicking the ball for hours and hours, but you will not achieve anything. That goal may be the most difficult goal to achieve. There may be a very difficult target for you to achieve. But I strongly feel you must have that goal. That goal may change as the years come by, and you may shift the goalpost from where it was to another goalpost, which is fine. But at least you have a target to which you're working on. And this message is for the students also. Remember that in life, you must have goals. You must have targets, because that's what gives us direction to work towards moving in some sense of a direction and a vision that we'd like to achieve. And hence, I hope that the managing committee of the Jayao Presbyterian Church would look at the next 10 years, 20 years, maybe even 50 years of the school, and set a course on where you would like to see the school. And maybe some people will be there, some may not be there after 25 years, after 50 years. But when we look back on this day, on this year of a century celebration, at least those people who will be there during that time will look back and say, well, it was in 2023 that the managing committee and the school and the team decided that this is where the school should be. And they will remember this moment, remember each and every one of you for having set that goal and the target for the school. So I urge the managing committee and all the members of the church, as well as the alumni and others who are associated with the school, let us put a goal and we move forward so that we're able to achieve much higher standards for the school in the coming years. As a small token, because there are funds that are there under my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, seeing the kind of work that is going on here, it's a very small token. Please don't think of it in any good way or bad way. It's just a token from my side, which is the normal token which is there, which we give to other education institutions wherever we can. So I would like to also announce and share that for my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will give an amount of 20 lakhs for the extension of the third floor building of the school. As I said, this will be separate from the amount that the education department might do, which of course, as I said, I will get things examined. But this is from the Chief Minister's office. So this fund I will immediately sanction.